The 2006 Mercedes-Benz CLS Class. Simple infatuation quickly becomes an unwavering devotion. The tested 5-liter V8 delivered abundant power with quick steering that offers great feedback. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, entertainment package, DVD navigation system package, floor mats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.